Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Thirsty Thursday. I am excited. Today we are going to be making not a Bloody Mary, but a Bloody Mummy. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and Halloween drinks, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You will find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, this is a lot of fun, or at least I think it is. So the first thing we need to do is grab a couple of string cheese. So once we have our string cheese, we're just going to pull it apart just like we do when we eat it. At least the kids do. Sometimes I just eat it. Sometimes I don't bother to pull it apart, but it is fun though. So this is going to be the part that's going to look like our mummy. So once we have our string cheese kind of torn apart, the next thing I want to do is get my glass ready. So I've got my celery and my straw here. But I also want to take in, I know you're supposed to use celery salt, I think it calls for. And I'm just going to be honest, I really suck at making Bloody Marys. I don't think I've ever made one in my life that I liked. But, so I went on, because all I had was V8 juice. I usually use Zing Zang, because like I said, I suck at making them, so I let Zing Zang do the work. But I didn't have any on hand, I had V8. So I went to V8's website and looked up their Bloody Mary. So I took it straight from the website. So if you make this and it tastes horrible, blame it on V8. Okay, so instead of the celery salt that it called for, I have Demitri's Bacon RimShot. Love this stuff, and I will put a link to this from Amazon down in the description below. So I just ran the lemon around the edge of my glass, and then I'm just going to dip this in there. So this is going to be like bacon flavored salt. And then put some ice in here in our glass. Oh, you know what? I should probably put, I only half tested this morning. I should probably put the cheese in here first, right? So we need it to kind of go around the edge of the glass like this. So hopefully I'm doing this okay. Maybe we're not supposed to put ice in here. I don't know. We'll drop some down in the center. A little bit. That'll actually help probably hold my cheese in place, maybe. That's good. I'm going to dump the rest out. Oh, we got one more piece of cheese here. Okay, so, like I said, I looked this up on their website. The first thing it said was 50 milliliters of vodka. I did not know how much that was. I had to ask Alexa, is that like equivalent to a shot? And she said, no, it's 1.5 shots. So perfect. Vodka is here. Good Lord, this is a big bottle of vodka. All right, so 1.5. This is a 2-ounce shot glass. So that's 1.5 ounces. And then the V8 juice was 250 milliliters. So I'm guessing that's pretty close to 7 shots. So that would be 3.5 of these. I'm going to shake this up really good. Or maybe not really good, but... So 3.5 of these. So there's 1, 2, 3.5. Boy, that seems like an awful lot of tomato juice for the amount of vodka. Seems like we need more vodka. Maybe that's why my Bloody Marys suck. Too much vodka. Okay, tablespoon of Worcestershire and tablespoon of lemon juice. Pinch of salt. We better make that a half a pinch because that's kosher salt. And I have high blood pressure. And pepper. I forgot the pepper. So, grab it from over here. A little bit of pepper. I like a lot of pepper. Like enough to make me sneeze. And then it said a splash of hot chili sauce. So I'm guessing they mean sriracha. If not, too bad. That's what's going in here. And I really like this stuff, so I might put a bigger than a splash. All right. And this goes on, and we will give this a shake. And that's probably good enough, I guess. Or maybe not. Maybe that's why my Bloody Marys suck. All right. We're going to pour this in here. I'm going to pray this is good because I've just never made one that was good. But look at that. Isn't that so cute? It's supposed to look like the mummy. But when I did it this morning, it looked a little better. And I'll have to work on it for my photograph that I make of this, because it's supposed to be, like, they're all supposed to be kind of horizontal. So I don't know if the ice is helping or hurting. And then we just need a celery stick. And I could probably use my celery, there we go, to kind of move it. There, that looks better. That looks much better. All right, so celery stick, well, it did. Celery stick and straw. All right, let's give this a taste. That's not bad. That's probably the best one I've ever made. So, yeah, I kind of like, I do, I like it. Like I said, usually when I look up a recipe for, because I really am so bad at them, I'm always looking up like the best Bloody Mary, and maybe that's what's wrong. Maybe I just needed a basic like V8 recipe, because I think this is pretty good. I'll have to let Mark try it and see. He'll tell me if it sucks. But yeah, I think that's pretty darn good. Anyway, give this a try because I think this is a lot of fun. Let me know what you think in the comments. I thank you so much for watching. I will see you next Thursday with another drink recipe. Bye.